Get out of there, ding dong.
Don't you have like a push room or anything?
From our speech right now.
What
are you trying to do?
Trying to push this back. Oh!
Hardy, sorry.
Hardy.
Can you throw some fish in there?
So not like last time.
Guy ain't goldfish?
A little bit.
Oh no.
Yeah, take off the sombrero.
Yeah.
No, I was gonna keep my face back.
You're gonna eat it,
What do you guys
You're gonna push it over this way.
Almost. There you go.
Are you trying to take it over there?
Yeah. Hey, look, it's working. No one fixed it.
Have you touched the water? Dude, go to the bathroom.
Cold day.
Go to the bathroom.
Still water in there too.
Oh yeah, right.
It's gonna soak you, Dad.
I'm surprised it's not sinking.
Everything popped up. I'll be a little bun just come up from all the water lands like that.
Let's tell him. You want to go. You want to go back, damn it.
So sweet.
Let the weather get a little better.
Get in my face right now.
It snowed up there.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Are the Lakers playing?
Because right now they have
That was a bad trade. That was a bad trade.
Right of all place.
Yeah, he's good. He's good.
This sucks though. That was fun.
He can't even play this season either.
I'd love to get one of those places in Idlewild.
Oh, I know.
He says it's 2 bedrooms.
I thought it was going to be a good team then because they got Durant. And then they got Diaz.
That'd be cool.
They win.
I
Double up.
3 points, 30 shot. Is he starting?
Also left.
Oh, because him and him are the same position. Hopefully let's put guys though.
Oh my God!
The Mexicano way, I say.